So hello students, once again welcome back to your online classes students. So today we are going to complete our chapter number 6 and I am going to teach you very interesting page number of this whole chapter. So I am going to teach you page number 68 and you can see what is there on page number 68. What problems? Yes, we are going to learn what problems. So students, start. Everyone, if you are not having your book, so please bring your book and bring your rough copy. Everyone, you have to bring your rough copy. आपको अपनी rough copy लेके आनी है और कुछ भी नहीं. Okay, and your book. So now here in my book question is written. I am not going to write any question and you have to follow same rule. Don't try to write any question in the copy. You have to write first of all as chapter number 6 multiplication, and after that what problem in first line and in second line solution 1 arrow. Clear? And after that you can start doing your solution. So here I am going to read your book for you. See, question number 1 is given. A book contains 9 chocolates. Means there is a box contains 9 chocolates. Means there is a box. Suppose you can see there is a box and in that box 9 toffees or 9 chocolates are there. You can say like this, so many chocolates and so many toffees are there. You can say this is a box and there are chocolates. There are 9 chocolates in that box. Okay. So how many chocolates are there in 8 such boxes? So there are 8 such boxes. How many boxes are there? 8 such boxes. Okay. Now your question is there. In one box there are 9 chocolates. Okay. So how many chocolates will be there in all 8 boxes? So first of all you have to find out number of chocolates. Means you have to write 2 statement which is very basic statement. First of all you have to see what is your multiplicand and what is your multiplier. So you have to find out the statement of multiplicand. तो यहाँ पे आप कह सकते हैं a box contain 9 chocolates. So you have to write first statement like this. Number of chocolates. Number of chocolates. Number of chocolates is equal to, because 2 things are there in this question. So first of all you have to write number of chocolates. Now tell me everyone how many chocolates are there? Tell me everyone how many chocolates are there? There are 9 chocolates. ठीक है, number of chocolates. And then how many chocolates are there in 8 such boxes? Then you have to write number of boxes. Then is equal to how much? 8. Okay. You can see here examples are given. What problem examples are given? Number of sketch pens in one set, number of sets. और उसके बाद क्या करें? Number of sketch pens Ravi has. Means आपको यहाँ पे 2 statements are clear. Means number of chocolates are 9 and number of boxes are 8. Then you have to add one more line. Okay. You have to add one more line. Which line? Now let's see. Here your question is saying that number of chocolate in, just a minute, wait a minute, wait everyone, wait. Yes students, sorry, my marker was not working. Okay. So now see, you have to write your third statement like total number of chocolates in, let me erase this one. In 8 boxes is equal to 9 multiplied 8. Okay, is equal to 9 multiplied 8. So when you will read table of 8 9 times, 8 nines are, what is 8 nines are? Tell me everyone, what is 8 nines are? 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72 or 9 nines are 72. Same. So here you will write at the last answer is equal to 72 chocolates. 72 chocolates. That's enough. Full stop. Is it clear? Your first question is there. A box contains 9 chocolates. So number of chocolates is equal to how much? 9. Then how many chocolates are there in 8 boxes? So number of boxes is equal to how much? 8. And then you have to add third line your own. Total number of chocolates in 8 boxes. 8 such boxes भी आप लिख सकते हैं. आप चाहें तो 8 such लिख सकते हैं. SUCH such. लिखेंगे तो भी ठीक है, नहीं लिखेंगे तो भी ठीक है. That is okay. Then you have to write like this. 9 multiplied 8 is equal to 72. Your answer is 72. और आप इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं in a rough column. ऐसे आप साइड में कर सकते हैं. 9 multiplied 8 is equal to 8 9s are 72. So this is your answer. 8 9s are 72. So that is your answer. Okay. So now if you have written this much, so let's learn another question. Let me this. Now here you have to only do one thing. You have to write solution number 2. Solution is already written, so I am going to write 2. Let me erase my dear students. So see, what is your second question? Your second question, read everyone with me. A book cost ₹15. तो आपको क्या मिला? Cost of a book is equal to how much? ₹15. So you have to write here solution number 2. Write here solution number 2. अब यहाँ पे आप लिखेंगे cost of a book. Cost of a book is equal to how much? Is equal to rupees. ये rupees का sign है. This is the sign of rupees which you have to write. ₹15. Okay. Then how much will 7 such books cost? So number of books. आपको cost of a book पता चल गया. अब number of books लिखना है. Okay. Then number of books. Number of books. Okay students, sorry my marker is not working. Number of books is equal to how much? 7 books. How much? 7 books. So what is your final line? You have to write total cost of 7 books is equal to, you have, because your question is saying how much 7 such books cost, means you have to find out the cost of 7 books. यहाँ पे आपको एक बुक की कॉस्ट कितनी दी है? 15 रुपीज दी है और टोटल बुक्स कितनी है? 7 है. तो पूछ रहा है कि ये पूरी 7 जो बुक है इसकी कॉस्ट कितनी होगी? एक की कॉस्ट तो 15 रुपीज है, लेकिन 7 की कॉस्ट कितनी होगी? व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑल 7 बुक्स? सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑल 7 सच बुक्स. सो नाउ हाउ टू राइट? यू कैन राइट हियर टोटल. यू कैन राइट टोटल कॉस्ट of 7 books is equal to 15 multiplied 7. Okay, रुपीज 15 आप लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. रुपीज 15 multiplied 7 is equal to how much? अब यहाँ पे रफ कॉलम है. यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई हियर. यू कैन राइट इन रफ कॉलम एंड यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई. जब रुपीज हम लिखते हैं तो रुपीज ऊपर लिखते हैं, बट हियर यू कैन डू इट सिंपली. 7 5s are 35. So you have to write 5 here and 3 in box. 7 means 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to how much? 10. So what is your answer? Your answer is rupees 105. What is your answer? Your answer is rupees 105. तो आप लिखेंगे answer at the last. Answer is equal to cost of 7 books. equal to rupees 105. Cost of 7 books is equal to rupees 105. So this is your answer. Total cost of 7 books is equal to 15 multiply 7. Is it clear? And you have to write at least four statement. आपको ये देखना है कि क्या चीज दी है और कितनी दी है और वो क्या पूछ रहा है. ठीक है? How much and what is the thing and what is your question. You have to focus on all this type of things and you have to write all these statements. Means first and second statement is already there in your book. Cost of a book rupees 15 is already there and number of books is equal to how much? 7. Then total cost of 7 books पूछ रहा है कि total cost of 7 book कितनी है, तो ये भी आपने लिख दिया इक्वल टू रुपीज 15 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7. देन आंसर आपने क्या लिखा, फाइनल आंसर आपको क्या बोला, कॉस्ट ऑफ 7 बुक्स इक्वल टू 105. सो दिस इज योर आंसर. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स नोट डाउन योर होमवर्क एवरीवन. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट योर होमवर्क हियर. प्लीज डू इट इन योर फेयर कॉपी. आपको इसको अपनी स्कूल की फेयर कॉपी में करना है. यू हैव टू डू ऑल क्वेश्चन इन योर स्कूल फेयर कॉपी. राइट हियर everyone HW. Okay, from page number, solve in your copy. Solve in your copy. Okay, question number 3, 4 and 5. But listen, question number 1 to 5 we have to write everything in your copy. 1 और 2 मैंने करा दिया है, that is you have to write in your copy, and 3 and 4 and 5 you have to solve it your own and then you have to write in your copy. Okay, if you are having any problem, then you know those who are attending their live classes, I had taught them each and everything. मैंने बहुत ही अच्छे से पूरे एग्जाम्पल्स को रीड किया है, एग्जाम्पल्स को एक्सप्लेन किया है, फिर मैंने एक एक क्वेश्चन को एक्सप्लेन किया है, क्वेश्चन के साथ मैंने एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं, खूब डीपली बताया है. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं जो वहाँ पे आपको ना आए. लाइव क्लासेस में यही होता है कि किसी बच्चे को कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो वो तुरंत उसको अपनी प्रॉब्लम को और अपनी क्वेरीज को रेक्टिफाई कर लेता है, तुरंत वो पूछ लेता है, सो दैट वी कैन आंसर देम. एंड नाउ इफ यू आर वाचिंग दीज रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोज देन यू हैव टू फोकस इट. आपको ध्यान देना पड़ेगा एंड यू हैव टू पे मोर अटेंशन हियर. आपको यहाँ ज्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा एंड देन यू हैव टू सॉल्व. व्हाट प्रॉब्लम इज नथिंग. व्हाट प्रॉब्लम में कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है विच यू कांट डू. एवरीथिंग इज सो सिंपल एंड सो इजी. ओके, आपको सिर्फ क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द थिंग्स कि क्या चीज है और कितनी है. ठीक है, क्या चीज है और कितनी है और पूछ क्या रहा है. मीन्स द नेम ऑफ द थिंग्स एंड नंबर ऑफ द थिंग्स एंड योर फाइनल क्वेश्चन एंड देन एट द लास्ट यू हैव टू राइट योर फाइनल आंसर. देखो यहाँ पे सामान जो दिया था वो लिख दिया, कितना सामान दिया था वो भी लिख दिया, क्या पूछ रहा है ये भी लिख दिया, लेकिन लास्ट में हमें मिला क्या ये भी लिख दिया. इज इट क्लियर? Means everything is clear here. So you have to solve only 3 questions, 3, 4 and 5, including question number 1 and 2 in your copy. Question number 1 से लेकर 5 तो पूरा कॉपी में आप सॉल्व करेंगे. But remember, every question must be correct. Your spelling must be correct. अगर आपको नहीं आता, you can contact me. I am there to help you. Okay? So your chapter number 6 is totally finished today. And in my next video, I will start chapter number 7. So bye bye students. Take care. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.